सबसे पहले तो वेलकम टू ई टाइम्स टीवी एंड
Thank
congratulations on this new song हवा करदा. I saw the teaser. I was hoping to see something more, but बहुत ही छोटा सा teaser था. तो
हाँ, but वही टीजर है, वो टीज तो करेगा. तो मतलब that is more successful. मतलब जो हम लोग का है वो हो गया, टीज कर चुके हैं.
हाँ. So tell us something about this song. What were the factors that you looked into before giving your nod to this song?
See, I'll tell you. First of all, the moment this song came to me, it came as with the name itself. Afsana ka gana hai, will you do it? So I was like, that's a nice gesture to ask somebody.
Yes.
कि इसका गाना है, जैसे it's like यश राज की फिल्म में करे. So I said I don't mind doing a big video if it's a big banner. So I want to hear the song. So the makers were not ready to send me the song. They want to come and meet them, and then they want to उस समय सुनाना चाहते थे because of the situation was that way. So but anyhow I said कि I would want to see it. I have my setup, music audio setup. I want to hear it on that. Then I decide. Usually क्या होता है, आप बहुत जल्दी जज कर गानों को कि आपके फोन पे चलता है तो आपके फोन का ऑडियो इतना अच्छा आउटपुट नहीं होता है.
Right.
So I took my time. I connected my headphones. I didn't do it on my home theater or something. So I connected my headphones. और फिर मैंने सुना. तो I was driven initially 30 seconds of the song. That's where I believe to pick a music video, आपको कोई भी अगर कोई गाना अच्छा लगता है, रेडियो मिर्ची पे भी या कहीं पे भी, शुरू के 30 सेकंड में आप डिसाइड करते हो whether to hold on to it or to flip.
Right.
So I was driven that way. I was like कि I'm gonna observe that. Believe me, 2.5-3 मिनट का गाना है. वो जब गाना चला और वो गाना खत्म हो गया, तो I wanted more of it. And then I saw, यार ये 2 मिनट 40 सेकंड का गाना था, एक बार और सुना. So I was excited to understand the meaning because I know Punjabi, I can speak, write and do all those in Punjabi. So the meaning of the song is very crispy and उस समय तो पता नहीं था who will be playing opposite me and कौन है, कैसा है. So I started visualizing it without having a location or without even saying no to it. Saying. So this was the journey to not towards the song, and obviously Afsana, if I talk about, she is just brilliant.
Yes.
Totally brilliant means I can't. So more than makers, Afsana's words convinced me to do the song.
Acha, so we have Shama opposite you. So how was the first day with her, and how did you all break the ice? Because we see whatever little that we've seen in the teaser, the chemistry is quite lovely. Given it's a romantic song, then कैसा रहा वो पूरा सफर?
We had meetings planned with the directors and Shama. We were trying to meet up at someone's house or coffee. Eventually, that didn't turn up. She was busy, and then मैं बॉम्बे आया था, तो director and everything, we could not coordinate. तो एक दिन पहले भी हमने कोशिश करी थी शाम को, जिस दिन हम लोग का सुबह 5 बजे का कॉल टाइम था, उसके पहले भी कि हम आधा घंटा मिल लें. इसके पहले मैं आज तक शर्मा से मिला नहीं था. मैं डायरेक्टर से, प्रोड्यूसर, इन सब से मैं मिल लिया था. बट यार मुझे तो मेरी को एक्टर से मिलना है, भले मेरे डायलॉग्स नहीं है, भले we have to practice the script, but this was the biggest challenge for me. I have never done that in my life. कि in fact इतना टाइम भी नहीं था. If you have any mock shoots or look test also happening with your some co-actor for the chemistry test when any makers call you with any other actors. So I spent 10, 15, 20 minutes to have a conversation. पता चले सामने वाले का बात करने का लहजा क्या है और टेम्पो क्या है, और एक दूसरे की वॉइस जब एक्सचेंज होती है तो पता चल जाता है. मुझको वो टाइम नहीं मिला, शम्मा को टाइम नहीं मिला. She is definitely senior to me, and she was quite confident, and looking at her, the energy what she gave me, that was it. That was, I was like, bas, ab mujhe tension nahi hai. So we said hi to each other just before our first shot. Believe. I mean, I was on the mark. She was walking towards the mark, and we said hi. I was like, okay, so let's do it. So that really matters, कि सामने वाला आपको वो एनर्जी दे रहा है और सामने वाला आपकी एनर्जी कैसे रिसीव कर रहा है. That is quite possible कि I am like I am capable, I'm good enough to give you that vibe. But what if you are not receptive towards it?
True.
It happened very nicely. I am blessed and lucky enough to get her as a co-actor, as a performer with me. So because हम लोग का लिपसिंग भी नहीं है गाने में, सबसे बड़ी बात ये. एक लिपसिंग होती है तो क्या होता है, आपकी केमिस्ट्री खुद ही बन जाती है. So it is you are hearing and you are performing. I like कि चल बेटा अब तो ये audition है to crack. You have an audition to. Okay.
Right. So I was just coming to that, like you said that you don't have, you all are not lip syncing. So उसमें बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है. Then it's only your body language and your eyes that do the expression. So eyes, all there. So it's a very, good thing that आप लोगों ने पहली मुलाकात में वो vibe exchange किया and it worked out very well. That's very difficult.
और लड़के में कमाल ऐसा है कि उसकी आंखों को 30 सेकंड देखोगे तो प्यार हो ही जाएगा.
Music videos, music albums, they were a rage during the 90s. And now all of a sudden, like since the past 1 year, it has again come back. अभी फिर से बहुत ज़्यादा ट्रेंड चल गया है. इनफैक्ट हर रोज एक नया गाना आता है. तो उसमें आपके इस गाने को everybody wants that our song should be the best and should stand out. So do you think that your song has all the potential to stand out despite so many songs?
That is absolutely correct. The trend of music video has gone really, really far. I mean, everybody nowadays are looking forward online on YouTube. In fact, I'm talking about my own wife, and she plays with my son, and we have any gathering in our house or chilling within each other. Ki naya gana kaun sa hai? You can't listen to dum 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 all the time.
All the time.
You want to be an actor? I look forward कि who are the makers, who is the singer. कुछ ना कुछ हर week एक नया गाना आ रहा है. I know the lineup. Every week there are new songs coming. So the trend audience has accepted. और मैं ये बोलूँगा कि पिछले लॉकडाउन की वजह से भी हुआ है और इनफैक्ट पीपल उन लोगों ने एक्सेप्ट भी करना चालू कर दिया है कि I mean the digital online media has grown really, really well.
Rapidly, right.
So the trend of music video is doing very well, as you also know. We all know. Lot of singers, a lot of singers who were not even confident enough. I personally have 2-3 friends of mine जो सालों से they were approaching their songs to people to take it or whatever. आज वो इतने confident हो चुके हैं कि they are charging their own price on that. So this is again thank you to the audience. In fact, I'm also the audience for my own self, for all the other actors. So if I talk about my song, How Hawa Karda, is going to be really accepted by you all for like all the audience. Why? Because I know the present scenario, everybody is looking for that vibe of happiness, that music. When you hear the song, I guarantee you, if you don't play the song for the second time, not because you will want to see me again, that could also be a factor. The music of the song, the composition is done so peppy कि मैंने क्या बोला आपको यार ये खत्म हो गया. The crescendo grows so well. I mean, कितना बात करूँ यार, थोड़ा तो देखो, थोड़ा तो बताओ मुझे. अभी 6:30 होगा, we can talk that way. But yeah, really far on this, and lot of people, it is in a way generating employment 110%.
Yeah.
Within and it's very easy to shoot. Not exactly, easy for the makers to shoot, but for the actors जो हम लोग को जो एक्टिंग की आदत है, विदाउट लाइन कोई परफॉर्म करने के लिए बोल दे तो आप सोचो क्या करोगे, कितनी देर होल्ड करोगे. यहाँ आपके दिमाग नहीं पूरा चल रहा है. एंड the director was very easy and comfortable for us that he was playing the songs when the shots were also cut. जब shot नहीं थे ना, then also he was. It's really nice,
yeah, it's very nice. मतलब लोगों को अब पंजाबी म्यूजिक में बहुत ज्यादा इंटरेस्ट आ गया क्योंकि इसमें जो वर्ड्स होते हैं ना वो डायरेक्टली आपको हिट कर देते हैं,
घुस जाते हैं.
हाँ, एकदम घुस जाते हैं.
और आप कहीं से किसी भी रिलीजन के क्यों ना हो, वो एक टोन है, एक्सेंट है कि आप रिलेट कर जाते हैं.
हाँ.
सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट होती है कि आपकी 7-8 बार सुनने में निकल जाते हैं, मतलब ही समझने में. तो हमारे व्यूज बढ़ाओ, मतलब
True. Thank you so much, Gaurav. Thank you. It was lovely talking to you.
Right. Yeah. Please spread word. Hava Karda.
Yes.
Make fun really big, and thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much, and congratulations once again for Hava Karda.
Thank you.